Alright, what's good, Up Next fam? This your boy Up Next, man. Look, today ain't gonna be no regular intro. I'm about to detox my dreads. You see, bro, they're dirty. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to try something different. When I get done with the detox, I'm gonna tell y'all what I did different. And also, it's gonna work this time. Last time I air dried it. And yeah, we're gonna talk more. I just flushed the toilet, bro. You hear me? That's why I ain't talking to y'all, but I'm about to do all this stuff. I'm about to wash my hair, I'm about to detox it, about to do this. First round 15 minutes, second round 10 minutes. I'm gonna do it 3 times. First round 15 minutes, second round 10 minutes, then next round 5 minutes. I'm gonna talk to y'all back when I get in my room. Catch y'all there. Alright y'all, so look bro, this is some footage from last video, well the video last time I washed my hair. It's basically the same method, bro. I did everything the same, but like I said, I did not air dry this time. So all I did right here was I poured half of, if you got a red cup, I poured half of the red cup of vinegar, the little apple cider vinegar thing, and then I dumped some baking soda into the water, and I basically detoxed my dreads. Alright, so like I said, this was like last clip, so this is like this was like 2 weeks ago. This was the time where I didn't dry my hair properly, you understand? So I did everything else correctly, I just did not dry my hair properly. And right here I gotta add some more water because it's not touching all of my dreads, but I made sure it touched all my dreads this time, and I got a lineup this time. So you know what I'm saying, if I would have filmed some footage now, it would have been way cleaner and stuff. But I mean, it's the same process, bro. It's dumping the apple cider in there, then dumping the baking soda in there, and you just want to dump enough baking soda. It don't matter how much, just dump enough, bro, you understand? So I put all of my dreads into it, and yeah, air drying and blow drying is a big difference, I promise to God. So what y'all need to do is, I'm gonna tell y'all in this next clip too, where I got the face cam on me, but what y'all need to do is invest in y'all a blow dryer. Alright, so after this stage, bro, all y'all want to do is take the shampoo of y'all choice. Make sure the shampoo is like make sure the shampoo does not leave residue in your hair, bro. You understand? I got the Jamaican shampoo. I think I showed y'all in my product video, so make sure y'all go watch my product video or something. But it don't matter. Actually, it do matter what shampoo you use, so yeah. But I'm basically teaching y'all, like, first off, y'all want to wring out y'all hair. After you get done using the shampoo to wash out the vinegar and stuff like that, you want to wring out your hair, right? And then you want to get you a towel, and then you want to tie up the towel. Now I'm showing you how I tie up the towel right here. Like I said, I've been had this video, I've been had all this footage, you understand? I just deleted all the audio, and now I'm just talking over it for y'all, because I'm showing y'all how to do it properly now. So I still use this method till today. Like today I use this method, you understand? And y'all about to see a face cam with me and everything like that when I get back in my room. But right now y'all gonna be watching me tie up my towel. I'm teaching y'all how to tie that junk up, you feel me, and how to wring out y'all dreads like all the way. Now once you did, the towel, the wringing out and the towel part is so important to blow drying, because this can make your blow drying take 10 minutes to 20 minutes. You understand? So make sure that you wrung out your hair, right? And then tie your towel on correctly, and make sure y'all pat out all the, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you squeeze out. Like, you know what I'm saying? I showed y'all in the beginning how to squeeze all this stuff out. And you want to keep your towel on there for like, I'll say 2 minutes and 30 seconds to max. You don't have to keep it on there like all the way, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in my room. Alright, what's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next. Nah, alright, look, we already did the intro. Alright, so look, let me tell y'all something, bro. But I did something totally different this time when I washed my dreads. It was the same method, it was the same everything except for one thing, bro. I did not air dry. Now, as y'all like know, y'all seen it like my past videos. When I air dried, nothing worked out. Like my hair, it didn't have no type of smell to it, no bad aroma to it. But as y'all saw in like my recent videos, my hair would have like dots. Like you saw those white dots, y'all. One of y'all commented like, oh bro, you need to detox your hair. I did it before, but the thing was I air dried. And for me, air drying does not work for me. Like I'm not gonna sit out there in the sun for 2 or 3 hours and nah, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm gonna show y'all And for the other people who are like me, like the other people who just trying to get their hair dry quick, bro, this is what everybody needs, bro. If you have dreads, you need one of these, bro. No cap. Now mine's cost like what, $25? But you can find something cheaper at Walmart. They cost like $17, $18, bro. Man, look, invest in you in a hair dryer, bro. No cap, cause it's not even worth the hassle. I had one time I had to stay up for like 8 hours, and I still, when I woke up, I had dots in my hair. So y'all gonna make sure y'all dry y'all hair with one of these. You hear me? Look, hey, say that's the easiest way for me. It took me the maximum. If I would have actually took my time on it, it would have took me like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But it took me 10 minutes just to get my hair dry. Understand? It might be like a tad bit wet, right? It's not even wet at all, to be 100 with you. But what y'all need to do is invest in y'all in one of these, bro. You know what I'm saying? So keep the same washing method, the same washing product, bro. All that junk works, and especially the oiling one. But I'm not gonna oil my hair yet. I'd rather my dreads dry completely, and then I'm gonna get my hair retwisted, and then I'm gonna oil my hair. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if y'all new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace. Oh yeah, follow all my social medias. They'll also be in the link in the description.